Yes, hi, my name is Anelia, and I studied journalism and mass communication and a business administration, so double major. I work at Airbnb and I focus on product quality and basically making sure that when you travel on Airbnb, all your experiences in real life match your expectations from what you saw on the digital platform. AUBG, I would say, played a critical role in just forming my way of thinking and my perception about the world. You know, I grew up in Bulgaria. I grew up with a lot of curiosity about the Western culture, and AUBG really opened that door for me. I was really into popular culture and magazines, and even in my high school years I was working for some magazines in Bulgaria as a copy editor. And basically my most favorite thing at AUBG was going to the library in the early years and just going through all the magazines. But what happened is I came up with an idea to bring one of my favorite magazines, Rolling Stone, to Bulgaria, and that's what I did immediately after I graduated from AUBG. And I honestly don't think I would have been able to do that without the training at AUBG and, you know, all the functional expertise I gained in journalism, but also the business thinking and just like how to write a business plan and how to approach investors and how to like make something as an idea, like how to think of the process and make it into reality.